Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to another edition of Stocklock Sunday. I have two little tiny padlocks here. One is this Chicky, and what I like about it is it's all brass, even the shackle. There's the silly bitting on the key. There's a close-up of the key. It says 609 on it. And this one says 600. Wait a minute. Not getting it. Oh, I guess this is 600. Okay, we got a match. All right, so let's see if I can get into this little guy. Of course, the problem with these is how to tension them and still have enough room to pick. So I'm going to use my little tiny pick here and see if I can get in. Click in the back. Keep getting that click. I'm not sure I'm setting though. There we go. We have an open. Anyway, a cute little brass padlock. Then I have this Lockwood. It's a terrible stamp on there. I don't know if that's was a misstrike on an O14 or a J14. And this one is made in Australia. Kind of an old beat up little padlock, Lockwood. And it does not have a key, unfortunately. But we'll see if we can pick into here. Again, I'm going to use my favorite homemade tensioner with a very cool twist on it that helps you get into little locks and Yale type keyways, and also I use this on Medicos as well, like bi-level 3s that have a nice wide, huge keyway at the top. Use that for tensioning. Okay. I expect this one to give me more trouble. So I'm going in. Little click maybe in 3 or 4. I don't think this is a 5-pinner. I think it's 4-pinner. That was a good click on, I believe, the last pin. Kind of feels dead up front. That was just warning, I think, that click. I may have set a couple of pins. I'm resetting here because I'm just not feeling it. Move my hand a little bit. All right. Felt like a click on 2. Hook on 3 maybe. Now it feels more solid in the back. I think that was the warding again. Huh. Not a lot of feedback, or not a lot to feel in here. That was a nice little clip back there. Come on. Interesting. Pardon me. It's picking like a Lockwood. I have picked this before in hand. It didn't seem to give me this much trouble. There we go. And we have an open. So there you have StocklockSunday with little baby locks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, leave a comment. I love the comments. And we will see you next time.